Hi, and welcome to the webinar. I'm Pierce Mayfield. I'm the Business Development Manager for the Central US, and I'll be sharing with you today how to increase sales instantly with Mobotics. Let's get started. The question I get all the time is, how can a security camera boost sales? Well, Mobotics delivers much more than just security because we deliver real data to boost process efficiencies, optimizing queues and services to increase daily sales. The key is to give more data to end users and to make better informed business decisions. With our Mobotics 7 apps, we take our solution so much further than just security. Here's a look at some of our apps designed for retail. Oops, let me go back. Perfect. With 10 plus apps designed for retail, we can cater to very specific needs. Here's a highlight of just a few. With Mobotics Analytics AI, we're able to detect objects, count people, and create heat maps. This is great for keeping track and comparing store traffic over the day and week, along with creating a heat map of those popular items in the store. This allows you to plan for item promotions around high traffic times and high traffic areas. AI loitering. AI loitering detects suspicious behavior by identifying individuals who spend a long time in a particular area. This is great for monitoring high-value items or high-value areas, or areas that should just be off-limit to shoppers, cutting down on theft. AI BioDeep is the next one. This app uses biometric analysis to identify customers based on age, gender, and length of stay in an image area. This pairs well with Mobotics Analytics AI to get even more information to optimize your customers' shopping experiences. And lastly, I'd like to highlight AI CrowdDeep. AI CrowdDeep monitors the number of people in an area. I think this works great for monitoring line queues and cutting down on wait times. This is just to highlight a few of our Mobotics 7 apps. Next, we'll see some of these in action. Over the next few slides, I'll highlight some of the use cases alongside their corresponding Mobotics 7 app. This slide talks about sales and service optimization. Here are a few ways to boost your bottom line with Mobotics. Identifying heat maps. As I touched on earlier, the ability to track popular items during high traffic times. Data-driven marketing. Utilizing Mobotics apps gives you more data to make sound business decisions. Queue management helps you to stay on top of your customer wait times and employee efficiencies. Customer profiles give you the ability to learn more about your customers to create a better overall shopping experience. All these together give you more control over your sales and service processes. The next one is going to be protection against loss of goods. We're able to detect shoplifting with AI loitering, giving you the ability to create custom times of where you would like to get a notification based on loitering. Prevent break-ins with our Smart Intrusion app that can send notifications at the earliest sign of perimeter intrusion. And violence deterrence. With the ability to play pre-recorded messages on our 7 series cameras, we can deter violent behavior before it even happens. Next, we'll talk about building and personal security. We're able to detect accidents with our AI Spill app. This looks for individuals who may have fallen and need assistance. We're able to monitor entry and exit points, parking area security, and we actually have a parking app that allows you to manage open spaces, allowing for better efficiencies in your parking area. And lastly, fire detection. We're able to monitor for fire detection without the need for a thermal camera. We're capable of handling this all at the edge with our AI Fire app. These are just a few examples of how Mobotics can increase your bottom line. Let's take a look at a quick case study of Mobotics in retail. The Short Hills Mall houses over 160 stores on over 1 million square meters of retail space. With a Mobotics solution, they've been able to cut their costs in half by utilizing our signature 2-lens cameras to protect their shopping center both day and night. This is a great example of how Mobotics can save you money, which leads us to a high-level overview of our solutions portfolio. I'll start with the outdoor cameras. Mobotics cameras were built to last. And that's evident with our minus 40 to 65 degrees Celsius operating temperature range. This paired with our average mean time of failure of 9 years means you're going to spend more time focusing on your business and less on the tools that are optimizing it. On our indoor camera line, we offer discrete monitoring options of complete rooms while still offering intelligent video analysis tools. With our Move product, we have all the great quality benefits of Mobotics that Mobotics is known for, while having a more traditional plug-and-play install. Access control allows you to secure entryways and monitor entering and exiting traffic. And lastly, our thermal line, which registers objects and people using thermal signatures. This is great for early fire detection, as well as using automated alarms to keep your staff and facility safe. To recap the benefits that you get with Mobotics, you get protection against loss of goods, you get sales and service optimization, and building and personal security. All of these and more utilizing Mobotics cameras with the Mobotics 7 app. All of this points to one last reminder that Mobotics is much more than just security solutions. Thanks for tuning in today on how Mobotics can instantly increase your sales. For more information, please reach out to us-sales@mobotics.com or feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks and have a great day.